Redmi 9 Power India launch date rumored to be December 15. Redmi 9 Power will launch in market on December 15, claims a tipster. The new smartphone from the company's Redmi 9 series is so far speculated to be a rebadged version of the Redmi Note 9 4G that debuted in China recently. The Redmi 9 Power was also recently spotted on Google Play Console with model number M2010J19C. Xiaomi is rumored to launch the Redmi 9 Power in the market in two distinct variants, with 4GB of RAM as standard. Xiaomi hasn't yet made any official announcement about the launch. However, the company did tease the arrival of its first QLED Mi TV in the country. The new TV model may come alongside the Redmi 9 Power later this month. The Redmi 9 series entered the market with the launch of the Redmi 9 Prime in August. It added the regular Redmi 9 model just weeks after the Redmi 9 Prime launched. There are plenty of rumors about the upcoming phone. Allegedly, the Redmi 9 Power could be a rebranded version of the Redmi Note 9 4G that was launched in China last week, alongside the Redmi Note 9 5G and the Redmi Note 9 5G Pro. The new Redmi phone reportedly surfaced on Google Play Console earlier this week with model number M2010J19C, which is so far associated with the Redmi Note 9 4G. It was also codenamed Lime on the Google database. The Redmi Note 9 4G debuted in 3 different models in China, including a top-of-the-line 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage variant. However, the Redmi 9 Power is rumored to come in 4GB plus 64GB and 4GB plus 128GB options. The smartphone is also said to have green, blue, and black colors. Redmi 9 Power specifications, expected. As the Redmi 9 Power is speculated as the rebadged of the Redmi Note 9 4G, the new smartphone is likely to share key specifications with the latter. It may come with a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus, 1080 by 2340 pixels, display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 SoC, and a triple rear camera setup with a 48-megapixel primary sensor. The Redmi 9 Power could also include an 8-megapixel selfie camera, and a 6,000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.